gosh, I feel like, is it cooler than it was yesterday?
Yeah, it is.
This morning? It
Yeah.
feels so nice.
I mean, amazing.
Like I actually,
like I'm at a loss for words.
dare
Like
I
really.
say I turn on the heat in my car.
Okay, let's not go that far.
Just a little bit, just to feel a little warmth. I mean, what? It was like 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah,
I know. Keep laughing.
maybe
Go
a
ahead,
little
go
bit.
ahead, Kyle.
No,
Laugh at
it's a
me.
windows open, type of morning.
Yeah.
The screen door, that sort of thing. Let the cool air into the house. Get some, free AC for a little bit because we know in North Texas, of course, the warmth will return. I mean, technically, we are still in summer.
But not the triple digits, though. You
No, I don't have that in our future, but I do have quite a few 90s back in our future yet again. I don't know. It is September, and we can be warm again. It's also September, and we're inching ever closer to the peak of hurricane season, which is on September 10th. Right now, no storms out in the tropics at the moment, but that will likely be changing here over the next couple days and changing a little close to home. Down in the Gulf of Mexico, the Bay of Campeche, what we call that, between the coastline of Mexico there and the Yucatan Peninsula. A 90% chance of development here over the next few days, probably more so. It's really over the next 7 days, but it's going to happen within the next 2 or 3 days that we likely get some sort of tropical system in the Gulf here. First, likely a tropical depression, maybe intensifying into a tropical storm or even potentially a hurricane. But this storm system is going to be fighting a lot of unfavorable conditions to really intensify significantly. We'll see what ends up happening, but at least as of right now, storm track likely going to kind of hug the Texas coastline and then maybe making a landfall somewhere along the Texas-Louisiana border or somewhere in the Louisiana area. Right now, my main concerns are mainly for coastal Texas with some heavy rain, flooding, maybe some gusty winds along those areas. For North Texas, at least the way the storm track looks right now, not much for us is going to happen. Lots of heavy rain going to fall along the Texas coastline there up into Louisiana. But for us, maybe we get some tropical showers in the Wednesday time frame across mostly eastern areas. Could be a spotty shower storm for DFW this upcoming week. That's the way things look right now. But of course, it kind of depends on what ends up happening with that storm track. If it trends a little farther west, that could move the rain chance a little farther into North Texas. Trends farther east, that would remove the rain chances for North Texas even more so than what we're dealing with outside or at the moment. Outside at the moment, it is 64 degrees, the coolest morning we've seen since the middle part of May, maybe even a little farther than that. You can thank the dry air that we have out there for that. Remember, dew point, measure of moisture in the air, the lower the dew point, the drier air. And right now, those dew points are about as nice as it gets, down in the, especially for this time of the year, well down in the 50s. Tomorrow, dew points will be, and even into Tuesday, dew points will be still comfortable, but there comes the moisture. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, it'll be back to feeling a little sticky outside. So this afternoon, nicer than yesterday afternoon, highs in the low 80s with sunshine and with a little bit lighter breeze than what we saw yesterday as well. Tomorrow morning should be even cooler than this morning. Widespread 50s across North Texas. Even most of DFW has a decent chance of maybe dropping down into the upper 50s. Not record cool because the record is 55, but I have at least DFW down to 59 tomorrow morning. Tuesday morning will be comfy as well. Then you see Wednesday morning, it's a 70, so there's that humidity returning. That's also the day we'll be watching to see whatever happens with the Gulf, if we can get a few showers or storms out there. And then we just stay around 90 or above as we end the week and head into next weekend and the following week. So enjoy this fall weather while it lasts, because you can see it's just kind of back to warm and humid there for the second half of that 14-day forecast.